Hello family, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Listen, I made a couple of mistakes on the video that I posted yesterday. I was looking at the video again over and over, and I realized I made a couple of mistakes, so I had to correct it. And I don't know how to go back to the video and edit it and correct it, so I had to make another video. As I said way back, this is all new to me and I'm still learning as I go. Okay, so it's about this pattern. Yesterday I posted it. Now I walk you through a couple of things. One of the mistakes that I made was when I said take your measurement for the crotch, okay, the front and up to the back, and divide it into two and subtract one from the front crotch. Please don't do that. Leave the front crotch 7.5, but add 1 inch to the back. Okay, add 1 inch to the back. Some of you might know, some of you might not know. So let's say this is the back crotch, okay, and it's 7.5. To add 1 inch to it, those of you who doesn't know too much about pattern making, put a piece of paper to the back crotch, add 1 inch at the top, and then tailor it into the rest of the leg. Okay, so I'll cut it up so you see it, or I'll use this so you see it. So you put 1 inch from that end, 1 inch, and then you taper it into the leg. Okay, so add 1 inch to the back, but leave the 7.5 front crotch. Don't do that. And then I walk you through if you're using your own pant, but I didn't explain a couple of things. Turn the wrong side out, and as I said, put it on the table, and then measure from the waist or from the crotch to the waist, both front and the back, and add everything, like all the seam allowance and the waistband, both front and back, and write it down, don't forget. And then when you're taking your measurement from here, remember you've added the seam allowance and you added the waistband when you're measuring this. Okay, so that's all I need to correct, and I hope you understand me. As I said, I made a couple of mistakes and I realized it, so I had to come back and correct it right away. Sorry about that, and thank you for your understanding, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.